It is midnight. You open an investing app, chasing a notification about a stock that is guaranteed to triple by morning. You've heard the pitch before. You heard it about the AI startup, the viral crypto coin, and the dropshipping mentor whose Lamborghini was actually a rental. You give it a try. You win a little, get excited, then lose a lot more. After 4 years of this emotional roller coaster, your account balance has flatlined. Somewhere along the way, the definition of investing was hijacked. A passive wealth-building tool was transformed into a high-speed adrenaline sport that demands your constant attention and nerves. While you're chasing the next big thing, a former classmate quietly crossed a 7-figure net worth by doing absolutely nothing exciting for 15 years straight. The modern financial industry is built to capitalize on your desire for action. For most people, high-speed activity functions as a wealth extraction mechanism. This chart compares the performance of professional fund managers against a basic benchmark index. Over 15 and 20-year periods, over 80% of these full-time professionals fail to beat that simple index line. This data supports the lazy millionaire strategy. Stop trying to pick winners. By using a low-cost S&P 500 index fund, you own a tiny slice of every major American business and let the market do the work. Invest $500 a month for 30 years at an 8% return. Your out-of-pocket contributions equal $180,000. But through compound interest, your final balance reaches $745,000. Time and mathematical compounding do the heavy lifting here. When you use this strategy, intelligence is removed from the equation and replaced by consistency. Beyond market returns, your workplace likely offers a guaranteed multiplier, the 401k match, an automated system that adds cash directly to your retirement contributions. Consider someone earning $65,000 a year, who contributes 6% of their salary. To capture a full match, the employer adds an extra 3% automatically. Over 35 years, that account grows to roughly $870,000. Nearly a third of that final wealth came directly from the employer's contributions. Ignoring an employer match is a rejection of your own compensation package simply because the initial enrollment process felt tedious. The Health Savings Account, or HSA, is the most underappreciated tool in the U.S. tax code. If you have a high-deductible health plan, you have access to this hidden investment vehicle. The HSA provides a triple tax advantage. Your contributions are tax-deductible, the growth is tax-free, and qualified medical withdrawals are tax-free. Wealthy investors use a stealth loophole here. They pay medical bills out of pocket today, keep the HSA funds invested in an index fund for decades, and reimburse themselves much later using the compounded tax-free growth. Legally shielding hundreds of thousands of dollars from the IRS is a far more reliable way to build wealth than gambling on the next hot stock. There is a final, uncomfortable truth about these mechanics. They actively punish your attention and reward total, unshakable boredom. An internal review at Fidelity analyzed the performance of retail investor accounts over long periods to see which strategies actually produced the best results. Fidelity discovered the best-performing portfolios belonged to people who were either deceased or had completely forgotten their accounts existed. This proves that the urge to do something, checking your balance or reacting to the news, is the single greatest destroyer of your long-term wealth. History is littered with exciting investments, dot-com stocks, crypto cycles, and 90s collectibles that promised speed but ended in disaster. Meanwhile, automated accounts kept quietly compounding. You have a choice between two lifestyles. Exciting investments produce dramatic stories for dinner parties. Wealthy lives are built on spreadsheets and automatic transfers that run untouched for decades. You don't need to outsmart the market. You just need to set up the system, delete the apps, and embrace the boredom. Exciting builds stories. Boring builds wealth.